Hello traders, Forex market. Last time for the week, Friday. We're looking at the Euro Japanese yen. We just pulled the trigger literally minutes ago. We feel there is a very interesting situation here, potentially a downside reversal already started. Obviously, we can look at yesterday. It was a big drop. Interestingly enough, landing exactly at the front door, basically 141.99. We have a short-term cycle here, the short-term system, which is the blue one, just landing right on that level. Take a look at the close. It's 141.99. Yesterday, though, it started on basically pushing forward a little bit, and then started to recede, leaving that spike right across that level again. That is very indicative of a downside breakdown, or in this case, price action naturally comes back to the blue system, meaning the last 3 days where it spent above that level was nothing less than excess noise. It's not a legit move. That's a fake breakout. That's how we feel about it, right? Let me show you the weekly chart. Again, memorize 141.99, and even a bigger level. Right now it's facing 141.74. This is how it looks like from the weekly perspective, and I'm going to zoom in. So short-term perspective, we're looking at a move. We're looking at this turnaround taking place right now as we speak, right? That huge spike that went slightly above the previous spike a couple of weeks back. Very suspicious, right? Now you can see it's landing right inside that blue system, meaning it's going to confirm, it's going to be confined to the blue system first, meaning short-term cycle hitting 139.88, right? That's where we're targeting this particular bearish campaign. Started off with 15K. Later down the road, we think we're going to merge with the medium to long-term cycle where the black system is applicable, and then of course the natural target of 134.39 is also applicable. But like I said, it's a big move to digest, right off the bat. We are going to have to break it down to more digestible pieces, right? So we're starting off with 139.88. Then we're going to take it to the next level. Probably 138.27 is going to be the next target, and then and so forth, right? Going back to the daily chart, guys, it's very important that price will remain below 141.99. We're kind of building on, we're relying on that. If price action begins to come back up and turn around off of that 141.99, it's not a good sign. We will probably look for the exit way before it begins to jeopardize our stop loss level, right? Stop loss level for us is kind of an insurance policy. It's very rare we're being stopped out. We're usually getting out manually way before. So in this case, 141.99 is our mental stop loss level, if you will. And we got an obstacle. We're facing an obstacle right now. 141.74. I don't suspect it's going to hold for too long. Once it begins to cave in, we're going to look to increase the position size. Before we approach 139.88, ideally, we're going to have here about $40,000-$50,000 position. Starting off with 15K, stop loss level 143. There you go. We'll leave it at that. We'll come back to follow up as usual. In the meantime, moving on to the next video. See you there.